Hot food within arm's reach. Ideal for cooking healthy dishes, heating frozen boxed meals and warming comfort food at home, in the office, or at parties, potlucks, or gatherings. Your food, perfectly cooked. Evenly cooks or reheats fresh or frozen meals, even leftovers, in about an hour without burning or drying out your food. Heat your way. Compatible with most flat-bottom, sealable containers including glass, plastic, Tupperware, metal, aluminum foil, and cardboard. Accommodates containers up to 8.75 inches W by 6.75, L by 2.5 H, or 1.5 quarts of food. Set it and forget it. Requires no monitoring. Just place your meal inside, plug it in, and go about your day, whether it's work or play, and enjoy your meal when you are ready for it. Drop the mic. No more overcooked meals, frozen centers, waiting in line, or dealing with splattered food. HotLogic is revolutionizing the way you make your meals without the old microwave. A little like a microwave, a little like a crock pot, but a whole lot better, this portable oven and food warmer is ideal for lunch at the office, parties and potlucks, and home kitchen use. It evenly cooks or reheats fresh or frozen meats and vegetables, even leftovers, without burning or drying your food. Using a heating element, it brings your food to the ideal temperature, and holds it there until you're ready, whether that's in 2 hours or 12. There's no monitoring needed. Just place your meal inside, plug it in, and go about your day. Top reviews from the United States. A great addition to my tool bench. I purchased my HotLogic Mini 3 years ago now, and I have used it almost every workday for each of those years. I was tired of eating cold food and I tried an insulated container, but the food didn't stay warm and I spent more time in the morning heating it up. The HotLogic Mini still works just as well today as it did when I bought it. Up until 2 months ago I used plastic containers, but now I use Pyrex Snapware. I use the 4-cup one, which is just under 7 by 7, and it works even better than the plastic one since it seals better. Each morning when I set up my workbench on different job sites, the HotLogic Mini is the first thing I set up between 7:30 and 8 o'clock. At 12 o'clock I have a piping hot meal of quinoa, salmon, mushrooms and Wickles sandwich spread. This is not a purchase you will regret. I don't.